Hey guys, greetings to all. As you can see, we are setting up another ATM for first of the week delivery. This is Saturday. This is kind of the day we clean up the shop, get organized for the next week, and kind of our casual weekend. So yes, we do come in on Saturday mornings. If not, we would be so far behind on Mondays that it would kill us all. But anyways, hey, so what I want to talk to you about, and we've been too busy. I've been too busy to make a video, and word of mouth is a wonderful thing. We started our ATM. Well, it's www.atmbitcoinforum.com, and I have a link down below in the description there. And we just started there. We shared our zero-cost processing program. There's no real obligation. I mean, you need to buy your ATM from us, but we discount the ATM and include free freight that you can't buy it cheaper anywhere else. So if you buy what we use, which is the Hyosung Halo 2, the Halo 2 has a little bit bigger screen by about, from what I can tell, maybe an inch. I could look at the stats, it might be an inch and a half, but I like it in a dark place. I think the bigger screen really helps, as opposed to maybe a supermarket lobby where there's tons of lighting. But I have some places, bars generally, that are darker, and I do like the bigger screen. So anyways, we go with the Halo 2. Get right down to brass tacks. Process through us. Everything's taken care of. We pay your commissions for you. We send you a report at the end of every month. You can always print your own reports, even if it's not a complete month. It's an awesome back end. And how can we offer this for free? It's because on the back side there's a few pennies there from the bank that we end up with. And when I say a few pennies, I do mean a few pennies. But it's a volume thing. We now have over 50 people that are in our downline that are currently operating their ATMs. Some of them have one, some of them are up to 6. Get 2 people up to 6 actually. And one is a laundromat operator. He's my only customer so far that has bought any rear load through the wall type machines. So anyways, the picture that I showed you of the Halo 2 in the first part of this video, I don't have a sign put on one yet because the last machine went out yesterday, but I'll update with a picture of the sign. For the 90 bucks, I kind of recommend the sign. It's LED lit from 2 sides. Usually the back side's not viewed. What I found is I had one bar and they didn't want it too bright, but they did want the light on, so I only lit one of the 2 LEDs. In other words, I unplugged the front side and the back LED still shined through, and it was plenty bright. So you know how bars are. But anyways, delivered to you with the sign, brand new equipment, $25.50. That's all inclusive. The only reason we don't take a credit card, or we take PayPal, but only by friends, because we don't make any money. There's no profit in selling you the equipment. The profit for us is in the processing on the backside that we are paid from the bank. So we welcome a money order, a cashier's check through the mail, a bank wire, a deposit. Bank of America is our main account that we deal with. So if you have a Bank of America near you, you can just go make a deposit. So anyways, $25.50. You will have your machine in roughly 7 or 8 days, depending on how close to Texas you are. These do ship out of the big state of Texas. The through-the-wall machines, if you have a laundromat facility that maybe is not manned and you want to put one in the wall, $3,500 roughly. So about $1,000 more, quite a bit more to it. We don't have anybody yet with a wash. I don't know if an ATM in a through-the-wall situation at a wash, unless it was attended or had some kind of a waiting room, would really apply. But Anyways, guys, if you want to get involved, what is required of you? And people say, how much, how much, how much? If you've got $5 grand and your first location is somewhat close to you, you can start with a $2,500 bank. If you don't mind going there, every 5, 7 days. I've got locations we put 5 or 6,000 in, and we only service them every couple weeks. So your back end will tell you exactly how many days roughly it is till a cash load is needed. And I'm not sure what else I can tell you. I've got prior videos to this on ATMs, about 4 or 5, that hopefully will answer a lot of your questions. Before ordering your equipment, you do need to have an approved account, which the ladies in the office are awesome. There's many of them that perform this task. Usually within a couple hours, your account will be open. They will send you the backside login. Do not open an account for processing until you are ready to order your first piece of equipment. Only because it's not fair to have them put in the time if you're not quite ready to order your equipment. So when you're a few days away and you have your funding in place, let's get your account open. Let's get your piece of equipment on the way, and let's get you in business. So anyways, guys, check out our forum. This is for ATM operators, and you'll find a lot of posts there. We're growing daily. So anyways, guys, appreciate all the followers, all the patronage, and of course all the subscribers. It does certainly help a small channel. So any questions, you write me. My email address is below, and we look forward to putting you in business as well with your own ATM machine, route, full-blown business. We're here for you. Thanks, guys. For now, we're out.